A lot of lies. From day one, you're my daughter. I don't know where you heard this from. It's not true. It's a whole lot of lies going on. I know where they're coming from, but it's a bunch of lies.
Ted, did you just show up at the funeral?
Yeah, I did.
How old were you at the funeral? 26?
Yeah.
Listen, I know that's my daughter right
So
there.
you just decided to pop up at the funeral. Not a birthday, not Christmas, not Father's Day, not Valentine's.
You don't even understand what was going on. You weren't there.
I wasn't there. That's the problem.
Because our parental rights were taken away. I went through all of that. Yeah, true.
But
I was trying to get myself together.
When I came back to my real mother, and when I did come back to my real grandma, my mama was there.
Why'd you pick the day of the funeral? Listen, you got to admit, that's a...
It might sound kind of odd, but I thought it would be the best time for me to come back into her life.
And why?
And explain what went on. I mean, I know it's awkward, but I was doing the best that I could in the situation.
You still ain't said what went on. How 26 years later, not a card, not, hey, I'm out here, I just can't come, or, hey, I sent a gift and just put Santa on it so you could just guess.
You didn't think about how she would react to that?
Take a picture or something.
Listen, it is what it is. I'm not sitting here. I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, Carrie, about anything. It is what it is. I was doing the best that I could to get my life together. And before I can get my life together, how am I going to come back into your life if I'm not going to have myself together so I can stand up and be the man I need to be for you? So if I'm going to come in your life and I'm not prepared to deal with it and I'm going to, relapse or whatever, and then that you see this, I want to be strong for my kids.
Check this out. My mama did drugs too, and I respect her. She's a black queen. You get that right? She's a black queen. Whether my sisters or my brothers and everybody don't feel like I see, guess what? That's the most intelligent woman that came in my life. And even though she smoked dope, I was there. It's no excuse. I never said she was a less of a mother. I never even judged the character of her because she did the drugs. I loved her because she pushed me out. Because you know what? Even though they took us away, she still said, I love you. That's better than not having a mother at all.
Lily, do you think Ted is your father?
Yes.
When did you meet him?
I met him March 14th.
And how did that happen? He just showed up?
Yeah, he showed up. At a good time, though, because I was going through something. So.
At a good time?
Well, for me, it was a good time.
Your mother just passed?
March 14th.
That was the funeral, but your mother just
March
passed.
14th, she died June 6th.
Yes, I'm saying, but that was the funeral.
When I seen him, it was a good time. March 14th.
And do you get along with Ted?
We talk.
Oh, I see.
But it's kind of uncomfortable.
I mean, do you wonder where he's been your whole life?
Yeah, I wonder. I just want to know where he's been and why. That's about it.
Ask him. He's right here.
Every time we ask the question, like, where you been and why you was gone so long, we always get, like, the runaround. We got the runaround from my mom, and I, never really asked you the question straightforward. Off and on throughout my, teenage years and adult years.
Is this the man you know as your father?
Yes, sir.
Why were you there for her and not your other daughters?
I can't remember exactly. In and out, different.
But if you had the strength to be there for one, we have to find out. Today's about being honest. And if you say you were out of it, you weren't that out of it if you were there for one. There's two others here that needed you as well.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And these sisters did not grow up together because they were all separated. They were all in different foster homes being bounced around. And I will say this, I think however much you were bounced around as kids, you've grown into three very intelligent, poised, and well-spoken ladies. I will say that. So.